Listen, people all over the world are making money online with AI, and guess what? You can too, even if you've never used any tech tool in your life.
In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money online in Nigeria using ChatGPT. No coding, no complicated setup, just your phone and internet connection. I'll break it down so simple that by the end of this video, you'll have at least 3 different ways you can start earning this week. So if you're serious about learning
Real AI side hustles, smash that like button and let's get started. Before we jump into the money part, let's make sure we're on the same page. Hello, welcome to Wisdom Wealth, where we build wealth with wisdom. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, I especially welcome you to this amazing channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I also specially welcome you back. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe and remember to hit on the notification bell so as to be notified anytime I upload a new video. ChatGPT is like your smart virtual assistant that can write, create, explain, or even help you start an online business for us, all through conversation. You just type what you want, a frame, and it gives you exactly that. Need a YouTube script? It writes it. Need product descriptions? It creates them. Need business ideas? It generates them in seconds. And the best part? You can use it right from your phone, free or with ChatGPT Plus if you want more advanced features. Example, typing, write a catchy Instagram caption, and it generates it immediately. Isn't that awesome? Now let's move on to how to make money with ChatGPT. Method 1, freelancing with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even WhatsApp. Let's say someone wants a social media caption or blog article. ChatGPT can help you write it in seconds. You just need to know how to prompt it correctly. For example, type, write a 100-word Instagram caption for a clothing brand that sells to young Nigerians.
Copy the results, maybe tweak a few words, and deliver to your client. If you charge just 3,000 per post and deliver 10 posts weekly,
that's £30,000. Do that for 3 clients, that's £90,000 per week. This is the fastest way beginners are making money right now. Method 2, eBook creation plus digital products. ChatGPT can literally write an ebook or guide for you, even if you've never written a page before. Let me show you a quick example. Prompt ChatGPT to write a 10-page ebook on how to stay productive as a student in Nigeria. Include an introduction and practical tips. Boom! In less than 30 seconds, it's written. Now you can format this ebook using Google Docs or Canva and sell it on Gumroad, Seller, or even WhatsApp. People are buying helpful guides every day to improve, especially in niches like business, relationships, or self-improvement. You can start earning 2,000 to 5,000 naira per copy. Sell just 50 copies, and that was 100,000 naira already. Method 3, content creation, YouTube, TikTok, blogs. Now this one's for my creators, content creation with ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts for your YouTube videos, TikToks, or even blog posts. Let's say you want to start a motivational channel on TikTok. You can literally tell ChatGPT, write a 60-second TikTok script on how to stay disciplined when chasing success. And boom, you have ready to record content. You can post consistently without running out of ideas. Once your channel grows, you start earning from AdSense, brand, or affiliate links. That's long-term money that grows month after month. Now let's talk about some quick bonus ways to earn. Create and sell ChatGPT prompt packs, collections of useful prompts that help people write better or start businesses. Start a WhatsApp or Zoom class teaching people what you just learned here. You can charge 5,000 per seat. Use ChatGPT to write affiliates, marketing emails, or sales pages for products you promote. You're not just using ChatGPT, you're using it as a tool to multiply your income streams. So let's recap. You've just learned 3 solid ways to make money online in Nigeria using ChatGPT. Freelancing, creating ebooks and digital products, content creation. And if you apply any one of them, you can start earning faster than most people waiting for opportunities. Don't forget, I'll be dropping free ChatGPT prompts step-by-step tutorials every week, so hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and comment AI money below if you want the next video on 5 ChatGPT prompts that can make you money instantly. Make sure to take a step and practice whatever you've learned in this video. I'll see you in that video. Peace and success to you. Bye.